Hey guys, this is Hayatullah Ismailov, aka Golden Life, and this is the second lesson in Erasmus Plus Scholarship. So today we're going to have a talk with you how to write a winning scholarship essay. So this is Mastering Your Scholarship Essay, mostly about the motivation letter. So introduction we have, so the essays, they show the selection committee who you are, what drives you, and why you deserve to get the Erasmus Plus Scholarship. And let's just go to the typical prompts. So the prompt one will be, why do you want to pursue this specific program and how does this align with your future goals? And the second is, what challenges have you faced in the past and how have you shaped your academic and personal growth? And also, we should also talk about the essays, how this scholarship will help you to contribute to your community or to your country. In this regard, that will be in the Uzbekistan, and also you should describe the significant achievement in your past academic or personal life and how this prepared you for this opportunity. So let's just break down the essay prompts. So the step one, you should understand the prompt. The question is asking for two things: your motivation, why this program? And the second is about your goals and how this program will help you achieve what you live in your life. And the second step, brainstorming your ideas. So you should think about why you choose the Erasmus Plus program, and is this the international exposure, the curriculum, the networking opportunities within the Erasmus Plus scholarship. So that's why you have to link that to your future. Do you want to work in the government, in the governance, in law, on diplomacy, or in other field? So how does this specific program fit into your long-term career plan? So step three, about the structure of your essay. So it's almost the same that you used to write your essays. It's about the introduction, body part, and conclusion. So you should always start with something, with a hook. Like something you want to grab attention of the selection committee. For example, you can say, from young age, I've been fascinated by the power of international law to shape global relations, and etc. So body, just explaining why this program excites you, and you should connect that one to your past experience, to your internships, to your work experience, to your volunteer, and also the academic projects that you used to do in your past. And also like shaping your future goals and how Erasmus Plus program and specific program that you choose will help you achieve them. And the conclusion part, ending with a very powerful statement about your commitment to making a difference in your community, in your life, and in your country, which is again, this might be Uzbekistan. So here we will just talk about the what not to write in your essays so that your essays will be successful. So please always avoid the cliche. So be very specific about how you will make an impact, upon your. So the part three, let's talk about the what not to write in your essays. So please, very, very much, please avoid the cliches. So be specific about the program and about yourself and how you will make an impact through this program. So that means don't repeat your CV. So the selection committee basically will check your CV and your motivation letter. That's why you don't have to, copy paste your CV, but rather being more, yourself in your essays, so that selection committee will see you from different angle. And so part four, we will just talk about how to write a winning essay, right? So the first tip will be, so personalization is the key. So that means you have to tailor your essay to the specific program and the scholarship itself. That means you cannot send CV or motivation letter that you drafted to another program. So the second tip will be, you should just show, not tell them, right? And you should just show who you are, and again, what drives you in your life and why this specific program that you chose. And the third tip will be, you have to be very clear and concise, because the selection committee will not have time for the wishy-washy things that you depicted in your essays, but rather being precise and making strong statements And this is, the sentences will count to the selection committee. And the fourth tip will be the highlighting your uniqueness. What makes you to stand out amongst the mass? So you want to be the unique one, and you want to be, the one that they want to have in their program. So please remember these tips will be very useful for you. So here I'm going to give an example to have a strong essay structure. So again, the prompt will be, why do you want to pursue this specific program and how this align with your future goals? And introduction, again, as we said, it should be very much grabbing attention. So starting like, when I first joined the youth parliament in Uzbekistan, I didn't realize the profound impact it would have on my understanding of governance and law and etc. So you should be very much, grabbing the attention of the selection committee, again, standing out from the others. This is very much important and crucial. And also, so the body part will be, again, giving the prompts. So why this program? So my prompts for body part will be, so you have to respond to specific questions. Why this program? And why are you a good fit to this program? So as you can see here, we also gave an example that this program aligns with your future goal, and you can be, as we said, unique to this program, coming from Central Asian country, from Uzbekistan, and you want to pursue this program. Maybe, we don't have this program in Uzbekistan, and that's why you want to pursue that one in that specific program, in that specific university. The body part should be very strong. That's why you have to state your clear and concise future goals. Let's say after completing this program, I aim to work in international governance. So you have to always give them very much precise future goals of yours upon the graduation of this specific program. So the conclusion should be always closing with a strong statement, just to give, for example, Erasmus Plus is more than a degree for me. This is an opportunity to grow academically, professionally, and personally, and I'm eager to make a meaningful impact in my life, in my professional life, in my personal life, in my community, in my country, again, as in Uzbekistan. So final thoughts for your essays. So be authentic, be specific, and most importantly, show them how this opportunity aligns with your personal and professional journey. And you should remember, the essay isn't just about what you've done, but also who you are actually, and where you're going in your life. So that's why the selection committee will be very much interested in you as a person and also about your future plans. So this is not the end. We are not saying goodbye. We're saying see you soon, and thank you very much for your attention. Just in order to keep in touch, hit me on Instagram and email me, and just find me with the name of Hayatullah Ismailov. Thank you.